Every girl bend your back. Lift it up now, put it down back. World boss comedy say that. World boss comedy. One verse, done verse. World boss. Hear this now. Unruly clamping. Yo, man's in Tesco car park. Man gonna be doing some clamping. Understand? I hear this man, them gangs on the gangsters, gang guesters. Holler man. Man, you know you're the plug. You give your thing out, you take a thing, and man them don't want to pay. They drive a car. They're always going petrol station, but they can't pay you your £50 or your £100 or your £500. This is holler man. I will clamp their thing. My thing ain't local. You get it? Holler man. Big boom, bam, boom.
How'd you clamp it while I'm in there, man?
There's a fine on the car, mate.
What for?
There's a fine on the car.
Why is that?
Congestion charge.
Congestion charge?
Yeah, unpaid £850.
Bollocks. You sure you got the right car?
Yes, sir.
Show me some evidence of that.
S4.
Yeah? Now show me some information, man, and some idea of who you guys are.
That's the registration, right?
Now show me who you are and identify yourselves.
But we don't. It's not for us to identify ourselves. There's a fine on your car. You drive the car.
Show me some evidence of that.
You are the owner of the car.
Show me some evidence of that car.
Please
who
call.
you are.
Please call the congestion people. As we are just the bailiff. We are just the bailiff. This car has come up.
Show me identification of who you are.
Mate, how would you like to deal with this? Because obviously,
I don't want to deal with it because I want to see some ID and who you guys are. Things like that. Because I'm legit. I pay my fines. I ain't got a problem. And the car's registered. So why is it no information come to my home address saying that I owe a fine? That's why I'm doing that. You know?
Hello.
I want to see some ID.
Alpha 2, go through.
Hello, yeah, I'm at a car right now. The gentleman here is asking for ID and stuff. We are not obliged to ID. The car is. We do have control of the car now. Refusing to come up with a payment plan.
Well, the car is under constriction, so he's not be able to go anywhere until he pays the payment plan or pays the full.
If I call you, bro.
Hey boss, if you drive, you're gonna mash up your car and you guys will mash up your
Right.
What you are doing about it?
No, just show me some.
Let me tell you this.
Listen,
If
you ain't gonna show me no information.
If you damage our property, no. You take the damage of a bomb buckler property. You see how man, I
don't care about the swearing. I ain't
you see how man, calm.
Right?
And you damage your property.
Yeah.
Right?
What's that?
But I said, what you are doing, brother? I'm just letting you know I'm a trained boxer. Yeah. I'm letting you know I'm a trained boxer.
This is private property. You ain't got no jurisdiction on here.
Hello, mate.
This is Tesco's car park.
This is not your car park.
This is Tesco's car park. And then you can't come in here and then dictate to me that what I can do. Yeah?
Sir, I'm asking you nicely.
Damage our property. If you damage our property, that will be extra
take it
charges.
off.
There will be extra charges upon you. Congestion charges.
I'll explain something to you, right? The money ain't an issue. But I ain't paying no money to you guys who can't even show me any
Brother, you don't need to pay us. You don't need to pay us. You don't need to pay us. You didn't need to pay us. No.
Furthermore, why are you
Yes,
filming?
we are filming you for our safety.
You're acting a certain way.
Because of our
Proof of ID of who you are, or notification, or in the paperwork.
Hello, sir. You do not need to pay us any money. You can make a payment by bank transfer. So you call the congestion charge and it will happen.
Where's the clamp?
Other side.
Yeah. Yeah, I just need some information. Really, it's just like I'm being So what's the number that I've got to read? Just remind me, please. Well, it's not an emergency. I just need to speak to the local officers in charge. Is it 911? Thank you very much, sir.
Calling police? You're calling police? Think police is going to help you? You're going to pay your bill today. You're going to pay your blood clot bill. You have car and I want to pay car.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, record it bomber clock. Because you see it's unreasonable on the reasonable ground. You don't have no right to be so aggressive. You're gonna pay your bill. Call the police. Call the fucking police. You could ball it, boy. Ball it, boy. No one pay your debt. How are you, man? How are you? Could ball it, boy. Don't want to pay your debt. Your debt. And a push up per man. Think you alone have big gut? Ball it, boy. Hello, sir.
This is my vehicle here.
What's the issue, sir?
Sorry?
What's the issue?
What do you mean, what's the issue?
I'm asking, what's the issue?
I didn't ask you anything, did I?
Okay, then no worries. Thank you.
So, what's going on?
The car and they want £800. I've asked them for some idea of who they are, and they can't produce anything.
This is a civil matter. Oh. You don't have any
Who
grounds
are
here.
you? Prove some ID or something.
You didn't disclose any information to this cell.
Show me the bailiff's letter or anything like that.
So you didn't give me a
What
chance.
bailiff company?
You was ripping off. You was damaging our.
What's the name of the bailiff company?
Damaging our property,
What's
sir.
the name of your bet? Who are you working for?
Sir, I no longer.
I mean, unreasonable here.
No, but you already jumped to conclusions and damaged our camp.
You're entitled to complain and get involved when people think that they are not right.
Okay, so if he's entitled to call police, make him call the police.
Yeah.
This is a civil matter. It's a civil matter. So a police officer ain't gonna come here and get involved. He needs to pay his pussy like debt. Pay your debt. Boss, he's at the camp. Oh, seen a camp on the car?
If there's a bailiff, you are from bailiff.
No.
If
Do you see any camp on the car? Is there any camp on the car? Oh, he's going mad.
Just overdoing it.
He's going mad.
Whoa.
There's no clamp on the car. You are going mad.
No, you took my clamp. You took the clamp off.
You are playing a prank. Prank. We have just said to this guy. Crazy, brother. I'm absolutely shocked. I'm absolutely shocked.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. I'll tell you what. My friend, hold on, sir. I'm just gonna call the police. Right?
Pardon, my friend, what did you say? You finished now?
Oh, he's a dickhead. Just here chatting to my man. Right, boss?
You're alright.
Yeah.
What's the bailiff thing?
I do comedy.
You do comedy, yeah?
Yeah. And I do comedy, and we just going around clamping people's cars as pranks. So yeah,
have you guys got a clamp with you?
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
It's not legal to have a clamp.
No, I'm not saying it is. I'm trying to work out exactly what's going on here.
Look, I'm all mic'd up.
I can see that. I can see you've got all the kit. Like, it looks all legit. Yeah. Is there any chance we can get some IDs, mate?
So what's the IDs for?
So we can check. We can just check people's names, make sure that you're not wanted. Because if this is a regular thing, then obviously we could be talking to you. We could let you walk away from here tonight, but you're wanted for the very same thing from somewhere else. Do you know what I mean?
So what is this illegal to do?
Well,
I mean, free world boss.
yeah. So you could pick up the key from up there. All right. So if the key must
Free world boss.
we can sort that out. Yeah. you mind, mate?
Right, mate.
Every girl bend your back. Lift it up now, put it down back. World boss comedy say that. World boss comedy say that.